Meaning of grandiose.
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 Grandiose. The word grandiose describes something that is excessively or impressively ambitious or grand in scale, without regard for practicality or feasibility. It suggests an over-the-top pretentiousness or arrogance that is often perceived as insincere or unrealistic. For example, a person might have grandiose ideas of building a massive skyscraper without any experience in architecture or engineering. The result of such grandiose aspirations is often disappointment or failure, as the lack of practicality and feasibility are exposed. Therefore, it is important to balance ambition with common sense when pursuing goals and projects.